So we took our 11-month-old on a 16-hour road trip, and I definitely believe it was a blessing because I understand that this time in his life won't last forever. Before our trip, we did get a new car seat for him that his grandparents surprised us with, and in this video, I'm going to tell you like some tricks and tips. So definitely pack enough snacks and entertainment for the road, including some juice. Be prepared to stop a lot because we did feed him a lot the night that we took off, and there was one day where he pooped 3 times in a few hours. So bring enough wipes and diapers so you will for sure have enough for at least the road trip. You might have to buy some more depending on how long your trip is. So we did stop for ourselves, every 3 hours, and then we probably stopped an extra hour earlier for the baby, so like every 2 hours I'd say, and that's fine. We got to stretch our legs and make sure he was okay. So when we got there, we rented out this townhouse, and it was cool because it had a high chair and a pack and play for him. And so we had those comforts we would have at home. And some might say our baby won't remember this trip, but his laughter and smiles speak for themselves. I can't count on one hand how many strangers stopped and told us how happy our baby was. For the majority of the trip, he was extremely excited and happy at the same times we were, and even for, longer than we were. And yeah, he just couldn't contain himself and was just squealing with joy. He experienced a lot of firsts and he soaked everything in. We just see him just, staring and thinking about things. He was comfortable wherever we went because we were there with him, or his grandparents were there as well. And he was just always surrounded by one of us, at least, if not all of us. And so he has been crawling lately, so we're just watching him very closely. His grandparents and grandma helped us out with pretty much the entire trip. And you could see, he's just playing, having a really good time at the restaurants or wherever we were. He was just generally really, really happy. Here he's playing peekaboo, so I'll unmute.
Are we ready?
Where's Finn?
He has a lot to say about it. He especially enjoyed trying new foods because we would go to a lot of restaurants. Here we were at a Thai restaurant, and he was just trying a little bit of everyone's food as long as it was safe for him. And then we did take him on several hikes, and he's the type of baby that loves being outside because that's what his dad and I like to do. So I definitely recommend planning your trip with your baby next time.